इस कार्यक्रम के प्रायोजक हैं श्रेयांग हेल्थकेयर इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड।
Hello friends, I am your host Nilima and you're watching your favorite show Holly Bolly Crunch, where we bring the latest from Hollywood and Bollywood news only for you. To begin with, we'll talk about the latest from world of Hollywood. The first news goes from the sets of movie Baywatch. True that Priyanka Chopra is an international star, and with a parallel career in Bollywood and Hollywood, she has managed to garner a huge fan following. And yes, it's about her very first Hollywood movie, Baywatch. Recently, the team completed its shooting for the movie, and here, take a look how Priyanka Chopra expressed her emotions.
It was such a beautiful epic team on an epic film. Priyanka captioned the image in which she is seen wearing a bright red jacket with lifeguard written across it. Chopra plays the role of villain, and Victoria, who is the lead in the movie, shared a picture of her hugging her co-star on her social media handle. The picture very clearly depicts that it was quite emotional for PC, as she even shed tears while hugging her co-stars. Baywatch is an upcoming American action comedy film directed by Seth Godin based on the 1989 series of the same name. The film stars Dane Johnson, Zac Efron, Alexandria Daddario, Kerry Robrack, Ifans Hedera, John Bass, Priyanka Chopra, Yaha Abdul Mateen II, Belinda Perrington, David Hasselhoff and Pamela Anderson. Principal photography began on February 22, 2016. Now an official image of the main cast has been released by Paramount. Although it's hard to believe it's the first one, considering how many sneak peeks from the movie we have already seen.
Well, I believe the Indian audience and as well as the foreign audience is excitedly waiting for Priyanka Chopra's first Hollywood movie debut, and we hope PC like rules the heart of Bollywood audience will similarly be able to make her place in the heart of Hollywood audience as well. Now moving on to our next story for today is about the gorgeous actress Deepika Padukone, who as well wrapped her shooting for of movie Triple X. But as the team finished up with their shooting for the movie, and look how Deepika expressed her emotions on the final day of wrap-up.
It was pretty emotional for Deepika Padukone as well as for the members of the team of Triple X on the last day of shoot, when Deepika Padukone's co-star Nina Dobrev took to Instagram to reveal that the shooting is finally over. The Vampire Diaries actor also posed for a sad selfie with the Bajirao Mastani actor Deepika Padukone. Nina wrote, "Last day, so sad that this amazing adventure is over. So sad to be leaving my new Triple X family. Another chapter is over." Going to miss being on set with such an incredibly hard-working group of people. So many beautiful souls. It's been a long hard shoot and they deserve a giant pat on the back and a long vacation. Loved getting to know each and every one of you. It's been such a pleasure. Wish it did not have to end. Fingers crossed for a sequel. And after this, the first look, that is the very first teaser of the movie, was released, which is absolutely mind-boggling, where Deepika Padukone's look is so bold and stunning, and she's even performing action sequences in the movie. Triple X, The Return of Xander Cage, is an upcoming action film which is directed by DJ Caruso and starring Vin Diesel, Samuel L. Jackson, Donnie Yen, Tony Jaa, Nina Dobrev, Ruby Rose and Deepika Padukone.
Well, definitely Deepika Padukone's first teaser is appreciated and liked worldwide by her fans. Both the actresses have always posted their pictures from their sets for their fans, keeping them always updated about their things from their movies, be it action scenes, romantic scenes or candid pictures. And undoubtedly, our beautiful Bollywood actress Deepika Padukone and Priyanka Chopra are making their Indian fans proud about them. And therefore, everyone is eagerly waiting for both the actresses' first debut movies in Hollywood. Now, this was from the world of Hollywood. Let's move further and talk about the recent updates from the world of Bollywood. So our first story from Bollywood is about the actress Radhika Apte, who will be spotted hosting Sony TV's show Crime Patrol. Take a look what she was doing and what was her motto in the show.
Television industry has become one of the most essential key medium for the Bollywood celebrities to promote their movies, though they adopt different ways and mediums for promotion. The promotion is not only confined to promotion in reality shows, but celebrities have also started promoting their movies in popular TV serials of different channels. And in this queue of promotion, actress Radhika Apte will be seen as a host in Sony Channel's show Crime Patrol. The actress has earlier worked in some of the super hit movies like Manji, Hunter, Talking about her film, she did her debut with the movie Va Life Ho To Aisi, and even in her movie Phobia, she'll be seen in lead role, and with this, she'll also be seen in her another upcoming movie. Devgan, Ranveer Singh have hosted it, and under this line of hosting, Radhika's name will add up soon.
Well, Radhika Apte seems to be all set for her new avatar as a host, and it will be interesting to see that whether audience would like her as a host or not. And with this, we will wish her all the success for her upcoming film Phobia. Moving on to the next story from Bollywood, it's about one of the most liked Bollywood couple, Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, who were seen with the whole family and other co-stars on the premiere night of Sarabjit. But the way Abhishek Bachchan behaved on the event was way too astonishing, and everybody was shocked. Without wasting much time, let us take a look after all what the matter was.
It was the premiere night of Sarabjit with Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan reached with their family, and the headlines popped up with the news that the couple have landed up into some arguments with each other. With Abhishek's behavior, everyone felt as if he was ignoring Aishwarya, while everyone was excited to click picture of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, whereas Abhishek was seen running from the camera, and it did not stop here. When the media called both of them for the family picture, the couple posed, but when media asked Aishwarya to give poses in different styles, Abhishek said to media, "Click only her pictures." And having said this, he went away. This left Aishwarya in a very embarrassing situation. With this, she too left the place.
Well, this is so sad to see our favorite couple landed into a fight, and we hope they'll bump back with each other happily. So this was all for today from Hollywood and Bollywood, where we showed Priyanka Chopra's and Deepika Padukone's debut in Hollywood movie Baywatch and XXX The Return of Xander Cage. And from Bollywood, it was about Radhika's Apte hosting in Sony Channel's TV show Crime Patrol and Aishwarya and Abhishek's fight. And with this, it's time to wrap up the show, and we will be back with more exciting news from both Bollywood and Hollywood. Till then, take care, goodbye.
इस कार्यक्रम के प्रायोजक हैं श्रेयांक हेल्थकेयर इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड।